Oh my
He's
gosh,
matching
look at
the
him
turtle
go.
step for step.
He thinks he's a turtle now.
Slow and steady,
this is
buddy.
the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Here you go, buddy. No, hey, not that. Come back here. That's my phone. Drop it. Please? Oh, thank you.
Woo! Look at you two! Bounce, bounce, bounce. Good puppy. Oh, you're enjoying yourself so much, aren't you?
Hmm?
Oh my gosh! Look at that face! You're so funny.
Oh no, the power's out.
Here comes Strut. Milo, be nice. Uh-oh. Oh! Run, buddy, run! Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're going
Get
for
it, buddy.
Oh, right in the head. You okay, little guy?
That was adorable. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he just held him down. Poor baby.
The pair of friends they are.
Oh, whoa. I have to take a picture to see them.
What did you do?
Oh my gosh. You guys, the bird's long gone. Oh my
He's
gosh,
matching
look at
the
him
turtle
go.
step for
He
step.
thinks he's a turtle now.
Slow and steady,
this is
buddy.
the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Whoa! Whoa, buddy, slow down! I know he's not. Hang on! Oh, easy, girl! Easy!
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, you fell right on his face. Poor.
Oh, hey, there's the cat. Uh-oh. Whoa! Look at him! He's on two legs!
Get him, kitty.
The dog is backing up. He's like, nope.
Hey, quit that little fella. Whoa.
Turk, stop!
Help! Somebody get this goat. I'm stuck up here.
Oh my gosh.
Help!
He is so into it.
That's the happiest cat I've ever seen.
There goes a bird. Now he's mad. Oh, they're off!
Just hold on. We're going up.
Oh my gosh, look at that dog.
Almost there, Bear. You're doing great.
That's a good boy.
See? Nothing to it.
こらこら
Oh my gosh, look at his face. Easy, bud.
Oh, there it is! Got one!
Oh my gosh, look at his face. Easy, bud.
Oh, he tried it.
Uh-oh.
Look at her face.
She's not having it.
That moo was a warning.
Here they come. Oh my god. That's your sock, buddy.
He is so into it.
That's the happiest cat I've ever seen.
Oh my god. He's smacking him. Yep, that's his milk, buddy. Better move.
Look at that dog sleeping soundly in the plant pot. He must have had a very busy day and fallen asleep.
Oh my, you can't make it. Oh no, look at you. You brushing his teeth too?
Yes, you like it.
He looks very patient.
Good boy, puppy.
What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he's running! He's so scared!
Great, our video ends here. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Just Funny channel to support us.
Oh my gosh, you scared him. Now he's in trouble.
Buddy, that's his water.
Oh my gosh, you scared him. Now he's in trouble. Mommy, slow down.
Oh my gosh, you scared him. Now he's in trouble.
Come on, man, you know you.
I am
We ain't giving up. Hey! Oh my God!
Oh my.
Come on, buddy.
Oh no!
Whoa! You okay, dude?
He's fine. Look at him.
Oh my God.
That's what you get for tailgating, bro.
My cat lives a more relaxed life than I do.
Look at those lips. Still smiling.
Oh, buddy, you missed it. Oh no. Oh, he got you. You asked for it, buddy. He's gone. Lesson learned.
But the fish are having a party and you're just existing.
He's nodding off.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
are you okay, buddy?
Look at that face.
Oh my gosh, look at you. You were outside for 5 minutes and you're a swamp creature. Do you see my pores? Do you see this? Don't even think about Henry! Oh, come on! Gosh, look at those teeth. He is loving it.
He's grinning.
Keep going, buddy.
How does a cow move?
Not gonna fit in there, bud. Oh my gosh. Okay, guess you proved me wrong.
It seems like the cat is having a hard time getting used to this new friend.
Look at those lips. Still smiling.
Get it, buddy. Get the dot.
Oh no, he went right into the wall.
He's fine. He's going back for it.
Oh no! It seems like the smell of durian confused him with something else.
Come on, buddy.
Whoa!
You okay, dude?
He's fine. Look at him. That's what you get for tail.
It's the first time the two friends have met, and look how the cat is making friends with the baby. They're so adorable.
You think it's a robin's?
Maybe a finch. The sticks look pretty small.
Wait, what is that?
Huh?
That's a cat.
No way.
They're kittens.
Oh, Big Yawn. You hiding out in there, huh? Little pocket.
Hey, stop it! It's shaking! Oh Lord, somebody! The cow's gone mad!
It's just itching itself. Hold on. Hold tight. I'm coming.
He's going for the tail again.
Oh, buddy, that's not smart.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes.
And he is out of here.
Oh no, the power's out.
Oh my gosh, you fell right on his face.
Oh, down goes Sunny. Oh, there's the big one.
Hey, quit that! Get on now! Get out of here! Hey, shoot! No, oh boy! All right.
Hey, buddy, look at this face. So curious, huh? Oh, whoa, dude! You. Okay, that's camel spit. All right.
Oh no, buddy. You good in there? All right, hold on.